day everyone! Today is July 9, 2024 and we are here for our 7th concrete pouring. This concrete pouring is for the phase 1 of our second floor columns. This consists of 11 columns in total plus elevator shear wall. The designated mix for this is 3,000 PSI with 3/4 size aggregates to reach the maximum strength at 28 days. So, as you can see guys, meron tayong sinet up na runner or platform para meron tayong easy access dun sa ating pouring. Plus, this could serve as support dun sa ating line pump.